What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing today? I know it's been a long time you've seen my face, but before we get right into it, let's just enjoy my baby girls dancing and watch the intro. I heard you happy though. I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios. Got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, I remember your touch. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do this fun, simple Senegalese twist with beads on a very short 4C hair. Okay, first thing first, I am showing you what I use in wrapping my daughter's hair when her hair is natural, when there is no braids or whatever on it. Why I'm using this satin hair wrap is because she cannot pull it when I tie it, so it's super easy and simple. If you want your daughter's hair to grow, make sure you have a satin hair wrap always on her hair so that she'll not be brushing her head or her hair across the mattress she's sleeping on. Okay, so this is I recommend this very well, and that is one step to recovering your daughter's hair if your daughter is losing hair all the time. So let's get started. For the items you need for this hair is the Afro hair twist. I didn't use the normal canicolon hair. I used the hair I used in the previous video. If you want to know the hair I used, go back and watch the hair I used. So it's there, and I just combed it out, and that's it, pretty much what I did. And another thing for you to grip this hair, the Shine and Jam extra hold gel, conditioning gel, you need it. Okay, that one is short banker. So if for her hair growth, I went in with virgin hair fertilizer and my natural homemade hair growth butter. You need for this hairstyle is the beads, and you also need the bead loop or whatever, I don't know what they call it, that they use in looping up this looping the beads into the braids. So I hope I'm not the only one that doesn't know how to do this until I watch it on YouTube. But now listen, first thing, you have to put in the beads through the loop, and then you see there is a hole in between that loop. Now take in the hair you already twisted or your braid, and then put it into the loop. Okay, make sure you go in with the ends, put it through the ends of the braid. Now you then push the beads out, and then once you do, you measure it to the level you want the beads to be, and then you use your rubber band, get one of the beads out, the last bead, and then use the band to wrap it round it to secure it from falling. So I hope I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. I just have to put it out there because I struggled with it. I didn't know how to do it, but I struggled with it. So I hope you learned one thing or two, just like this. I heard you happy, so I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios. Got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal, all Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal, all Cheerios. Even though we grew older, leave it in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, Cheerios. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal, all Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh,
like classic cereal or Cheerios. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios.
To make a square parting, divide your hair like in a straight line first, and then you would then by the side you can now have like start cutting it according to the proportion or you want it to be. So why do I recommend square parting is because at the end of this tutorial we'll definitely see how I packed the hair or how I styled it. It enables you to make different styles or to wrap to style your daughter or the braids however you want it. So that is why square parting is definitely recommended for this kind of braid for kids, because you wanna make the baby or your kid to rock this hair anyhow, any style you want to style it like your normal thing now. So that is the reason why it's recommended.
Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios, the best times, those was the best times. Window shopping at the mall, we were alright. And then all night, pranking on the wrong types. A couple teenagers laughing hard round midnight. I was all in your head, I knew I had you in. The first time we both played truth or dare. You said it first, but I felt it 2, 3 little words from meeting you. Go back a couple months, first day of school, choosing classes just to be really close to you. I think you caught on to my freshman days. Still I never thought we would be our first mistake. Time came and stole our hearts. Even after graduation we would drift apart. That was a while ago. I heard you happy, so I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios. Got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal or Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal or Cheerios. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah, Cheerios. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah, Cheerios. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal or Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal or Cheerios. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios. Best days, those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself.
How to grip a short hair like this. Make sure your hair is drenched with the hair conditioner I told you about. Now, instead of fixing the hair into the three trials you made, when braiding you have to divide it in 3. You have to divide the extension in 3. Instead of dividing the natural hair in 3, you take the hair as it's whole from the root and fix it into the trial. This would help to keep the hair from flying away or try to make the hair not to be clean. So this is how you have to grip the hair to be as clean as this. So you keep braiding that way. I keep braiding till you get to the end of the hair before you start twisting. Now you see me how I did it. I fixing the hair into the extension, and then once the hair is done, I then started twisting. Now to twist the hair, you will have to fold the first one. You have to make there will be bigger one and there will be smaller ones. Mix the two smaller ones together, okay, and then get the bigger one, twist it opposite directions, the both opposite direction, and then you then start crossing each one. Just be crossing it tightly to each other. Just be crossing them, be crisscrossing them, and that will definitely give you your twist. Okay, I know there are people who are finding it difficult to twist. This it's very, very easy. If you watch my tutorial, you definitely know that it's super easy. Okay, so this is going to show you a typical example of what I just explained to you.
Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Why did you go cute like a timeless cereal? All Cheerios take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal? All Cheerios, even though we grew up, we good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, Cheerios. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. Why did you go cute like a timeless cereal? All Cheerios take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal? All Cheerios, even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios.
So over here you definitely see us struggling. She's tired. This hair took us 4 days to braid. Yes, it took us 4 days. And why I'm putting this straight is because it's not because she was feeling tired or she was behaving like this. It's just that whenever it's time for break, we give ourselves break, and we'll till the next day. So that is why it took me 4 days. So that is why I'm telling you bye bye. See you in the next clip. So now this is the end of the tutorial. I am just showing you how to style the hair. I made at least 3 styles at the end of this tutorial. You can choose which one you want to do. It's super versatile. This is the reason why I said square braiding is the perfect braiding for the kids. Even triangle is good, but I love square. Square is better and more versatile. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? If you are a new time subscriber, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Grace, and thank you so much for visiting, and thank you so much for subscribing. And I know something unique about me brought you here, so thank you so much for coming. And if you are watching my video and not subscribing, I am watching you and I'm judging you. I am Chima. We are judging you. So please take your time, go through our videos. I know we're gonna like some. I have other hair tutorials for her, cute ones. Okay, so just go ahead and watch them, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for watching. We love you, and we're not going to disappoint you because more is coming. And let me not forget, please, the series is super important for me. Let's learn to take care of our kids' hair and join me to grow my daughter's hair, and it's also going to help you to grow your own hair. The product I'm going to use is for both adults and for kids, okay? So this is going to teach you how to grow your hair. The products and everything I'll be doing, most of them I'll be doing them naturally, and please don't miss out on my series, okay? I love you all so much, and do take care of yourself. Bye bye. I love you. Bye.
Got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. Got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. Did you go? You like a timeless cereal. All Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal. All Cheerios. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios.